Hello everyone. What you're looking at here is a picture of a 1965 SS Chevelle. This is very similar to one that I owned back in 1969. I found this car sitting in the back of a driveway on a side street in Niagara Falls. You'll die when you know that I only paid $500 for this car. This car is an original bucket seat 327 4-speed car. It had a high-rise cast iron intake and a Holley 4-barrel on it. I owned it for a couple of years and then I sold it in St. David's 1969, so this would have been around 1971. Foolishly, I never realized just how rare this car was. If anybody still has it or knows the whereabouts of it, I would love to find out, and please get a hold of me. This was a driveway find, 1965 SS Chevelle.